I received this. A gift was given to me by someone, and it has a handle. It's this. It's called Candy Glam. This is so cute. Take a look. Now I'll open it. It has a zipper. And let's see which one I'm opening. Oh, upside down. Everything is upside down as usual. And this is the gift that was gifted to me. Now I'll show you everything that's in there. Let me put my glasses on. In here is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Cream. Sit right here. That's the mini. And this is the bigger one to it. It is the same thing. It's the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Supercharged Complex. So they give you a mini and I guess a bigger size. The next thing in there is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Serum. This is it. And they also give you a mini. The next thing in there is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. That's the big bottle. How many ounces in there? They say 1 ounce. And then the mini. Then there are 2 lipsticks in there. One is called Excite and the other one is Tiger's Eye. Excite looks like this. Tiger's Eye look like this. Packaging again is like this on the front, but the rest of it is not. There are also 2 eyeshadows in there. Well, the eyeshadow, this is the front and this is the back. It's a Pure Color Envy eyeshadow and Chic palette, Candy Glow. Bronze Goddess is on this name and this one is Pure Envy. This is Bronze Goddess Powder Bronzer and this one's a Pure Color Envy Sculpting Blush. So front of it again, and this is what it looks like. I don't want to touch it, so I'm putting this over here. So I guess this one has the bronzer. These are the colors. And on the mirror say Estee Lauder Candy Glow. And in this one, which I also don't want to touch, has the blush in there. So one has a bronzer, one has a blush, and these are the colors. The next item is the Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. This is this, and this is 30. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. So I guess this is the full size. The last item in there is the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara, and this is this. This is everything that came in the gift, which looks like this. Pink on the inside, red on the outside. Gorgeous. It was given to me. Someone gifted me this. And I'm very thankful. So I'm saying thank you very much for gifting me with this. I appreciate it very much. Closer now so I can finish up. Today's word is alliance. Alliance. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, will see you in another video. And I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon.